Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 14 by 8 foot by 3.3 inch pool set with pump and cleaning kit. The pool itself is designed so that you don't have to use any tools to set it up, keeping the process as simple as possible. This above-ground pool includes filter, ground cloth, cover, ladder, and chemconnect dispenser. The Bestway swimming pool cleaning kit is a great addition to any above-ground pool or pool maintenance set. That way the Bestway Power Steel Swim Vista can fresh-feeling water for the whole summer. Product benefits includes filter cartridges for cleaner water, PVC's wall support band wraps around the pool for extra support. The kit includes a vacuum and a 9-foot pool skimmer. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.